In a world where quality, innovation, and trust define success, Goodness of Nature stands as a beacon of excellence. Rooted in a 90-year legacy of essential oils and perfumery, we have evolved into a comprehensive private label and contract manufacturing partner for cosmetics, personal care, and fragrances. From concept to creation, we bring your brand to life. At the heart of Goodness of Nature is our head office, where strategy meets execution. Here, our teams collaborate seamlessly to manage product development, regulatory support, marketing coordination, and client servicing. Every project begins with a deep understanding of your brand's vision and is shaped into a roadmap for successful market launch. Our state-of-the-art research and development lab is where innovation thrives. Led by experienced formulators and cosmetic chemists, our R&D team develops tailor-made skincare, hair care, body care, and fragrance solutions, blending traditional ingredients with modern science. From innovative textures to unique actives, every formulation is customized to meet your brand's positioning, performance expectations, and regulatory standards, both for Indian and global markets. Quality is not just a process, it's our promise. In our quality control laboratory, every batch is meticulously tested at multiple stages, from raw material inspection to in-process checks and final product testing. Our QC protocols follow national and international quality standards, ensuring zero defect and consistent performance in every unit that leaves our facility. At Goodness of Nature, purity and precision go hand in hand. Our GCMS gas chromatography mass spectrometry lab ensures advanced analytical testing of essential oils, actives, and fragrances, verifying authenticity, purity, and quality. This scientific backbone empowers us to maintain the highest standards for both regulatory compliance and product excellence. Fragrance is an emotion, and our Fragrance Creation Lab is where art meets science. Drawing from Carnauget's timeless perfumery heritage and global olfactory trends, our expert perfumers craft signature blends that make brands stand apart. From classic atars to contemporary perfumes, from personal care fragrances to fine perfumery accords, our library houses hundreds of unique creations ready to inspire your next launch. We believe packaging is the silent ambassador of your brand. Our packing material showroom offers a wide spectrum of bottles, jars, tubes, roll-ons, cartons, closures, and custom solutions to suit every aesthetic and budget. Whether your vision is minimalist, luxury, or bold, our team helps you select, customize, and finalize packaging that reflects your brand identity and stands out on shelves. From concept to creation, from fragrance to formulation, Goodness of Nature brings together heritage, innovation, and manufacturing excellence under one roof. Partner with us to build brands that inspire trust, quality, and beauty. Goodness of Nature, crafting excellence since 2015.